Hello dear friends, welcome to my channel. Today's discussion is a series for 0 greater than equals to j less than equals to n. Prove that 0 to 1, n equals to 0 to infinity, j equals to 0 to n, k equals to j, combination nk, kj, nj, 2 to the power j, 8 to the power n, 2n plus 1 whole cube, j dj root over 1 plus j square equals to pi by 4 plus zeta 2 by 2 plus ln square 2 root over 2 minus 1. So friends, this question is very interesting question, friends. So let's start to solve that question. Solution: 1 plus x whole to the power n equals to summation k equals to 0 to n ck x to the power k. Differentiating differentiating jth term, we have n factorial divided by n minus j factorial 1 plus x whole to the power n minus j equals to summation j less than equals to k less than equals to n ck k factorial divided by k minus j factorial x to the power k minus j. Now friends, take x equals to 1, so we have n factorial divided by n minus j factorial 2 to the power n minus j equals to j less than equals to k less than equals to n ck k factorial k minus j factorial okay. Now we can multiply both sides, j factorial and j factorial. Now we get n cj 2 to the power n equals to summation j less than equals to k less than equals to n ck and kcj. Again friends, we can see that summation j equals to 0 to n summation k equals to j to n equals to ncj nck kcj equals to summation j equals to 0 to n 2 to the power n cj whole square. So friends, this value is equals to 2 to the power n to n cn, because summation n cj whole square j equals to 0 to n equals to 2n cn. Now again we get into 2 to the power j, sorry, in here also forget multiplication, in here also 2 to the power j and 2 to the power j, because n minus j and from n minus j, and in here 2 to the power n and 2 to the power n and 2 to the power j. Now let's start how to solve. Then summation n equals to 0 to infinity, summation j equals to 0 to n, summation k equals to j equals to n is equal to ncj and ncj 2 to the power j divided by 2n plus 1 whole cube 8 to the power n equals to summation n equals to 0 to infinity 2n cn 1 by 4 to the power 8 to the power n 2n plus 1 whole cube into 2 to the power n. This portion, friends, I just mark out because this portion is this portion. This portion is equals to this portion, you see, and 2 to the power j with this portion. Okay, I hope I can clear this concept. So friends, you see that this equation will become n equals to 0 to infinity 2n and 2n 1 by 4 to the power n 2n plus whole cube, and after that we see 2n cn 4 to the power n x to the power 2n ln square x. How? Because 1 by 2 0 to 1 x to the power 2n ln square x equals to 1 by 2n plus 1 whole cube. Now friends, I correct a note. You will see that 2n cn 4 to the power n x to the power n equals to root over 1 minus x 1 by x square. So friends, I can write this exercise is equals to half into 0 to 1 ln square x divided by root over 1 minus x square dx. Okay, now friends, you see that if we take x square is equal to t, so 0 to 1 ln square root over t divided by 2 root t equals to, because we get 2x dx is equal to dt. So 0 to 1 ln square x root over 1 minus x square dx will become this equation, and after that you see that we get ln square root over t 1 by 8. Okay, 1 by 8 ln square t root over t and root over 1 minus t. Now the formula is that x to the power a minus 1 root over 1 minus x is equal to root over pi gamma a plus half, because this equation is beta a comma half. Now taking second order derivative, so x to the power a minus 1 root over 1 minus x is equal to d square a divided by root over pi gamma a divided by this. This is the derivative of beta, and after that I get value 4 pi ln square 2 xi to 2, and after that I get ln x root over x minus x square dx is equal to 4 pi ln square 2 6 divided by 2. Okay, I hope I can clear. Now I show that calculation. Now everyone know that what is the derivative of the beta. Derivative of the beta is this way. This is the derivative of beta. After that, I putting the value di gamma half is equal to minus 2 ln 2 minus gamma di gamma 1 pi square by 6 di gamma. This is trigamma. This is trigamma. And this is digamma. So trigamma have all the values, and after that I am putting in here and I get this result. So friends, I hope I can clear the total concept. So whatever I get the value is 1 by 16 0 to 1 ln square t root over root t into root over 1 minus t dt, and after that I get the value 1 by 16 into 4 pi ln square 2 plus zeta 2 by 2. So this portion is cut, so I get pi by 4 ln square 2 plus zeta 2 by 2. So this portion I get. Now friends, whatever I get, if I would see, this is my, this portion is omega and this portion is, I say, s. So I get omega equals to 0 to 1 s into j dj divided by root over 1 plus j square, because you see that j dj root over 1 plus j square. So this is my omega, and after that I just putting the value pi by 4 ln square 2 plus zeta 2 divided by 2 into the integration value is j square plus 1 0 to 1. I get pi by 4 ln square 2 plus zeta 2 by 2 into root 2 minus 1. Here zeta 2 equals to pi square by 6. So friends, thanks for watching. I hope I can clear this total concept.